It's all good. One more. Oh, I got.
All right.
All right. Hey, give me some of those.
You need some more
give me some of those
wiper blades? Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, welcome back to Truck U. The Ram is in the shop, and the back is all loaded up with all the latest PowerStop gear. So this guy is fully ready. If he needs all the supplies out on the road, he's got them.
Yeah. Only thing we have to do now is get his truck outfitted with the PowerStop gear. So we're going to do the easy stuff
details.
first. Yeah, I know. Here's the Power Clear windshield wiper blades. Man, we've worked with these before, and they're cool. These things are going to last a long time, keep the windshield nice and clean. It sounds simple, but they've got a lot of work done to make this a good quality wiper. You know another thing I like about them? You ever buy those universal ones?
Yeah.
Where there's like 9 or 10 different clips? These clips are vehicle specific, so that is going to fit this vehicle, and we don't have to worry about all the other ones that you're throwing out.
And they're sold in a pair.
All right, so let's get this done, and then we'll start looking at those brakes.
Got it.
Cool. How soapy.